So, good afternoon. I'm Martin Liu from SGS Hong Kong. Actually, I'm the regional key account manager from SGS. So today, my topic is I will talk about the safety, about the sportswear, and also sustainability. It's a broad topic. So my role in SGS is actually I'm supporting my EU clients and also Nordic, UK, and also US client, support them the whole global supply chain in Asia. So actually I face a lot of different inquiries and also questions and problems they face in the supply chain as well, and also how they are going to be developed in this in 2025. So today, sportswear, actually there's a lot of functional claims, a lot of products you want to claim to get your consumer attention to make a decision to buy your products. So what is the global market trends? Actually, from my insight is well fashions. What is well fashion, which means the comfort and functional that you already claim. And then it is well-being. Well-being, which means your products for your consumer, the end user, they will feel comfort to use it. Comfort is from the inside, not only the comfortable. It is good for the environment and eco-friendly, so they will make these decisions to buy your products. And actually also the sustainability will support this part well fashions. And also if your materials have a circularity, and also it's a good for lower the impact for the traditional materials, and this is good to support your products in these sections. And then you have to digitize all the supply chain to make it traceable, and then present to the market. And the future is digitized factions is more advanced. And then let's see what is the market and consumer response from your sportswear and also functional products. So right now, a lot of brands, different kind of brands, you can see on this page, is telling you that fashion brands and even luxury brands, they will do sportswear. They are already stepping in this section because they can see the potential. And also, they can see the consumer would like to buy sportswear just like fashions. It's already sportswear already leading the fashions right now, my insight is. And also the fast fashion, they have a huge supply chain and huge purchasing quantity, so they can support to develop more advanced and more better functionals on the products. Even if they can get a better price if they have a very great supply chain. And also, sure, the mainstream of you in this already success to leading the outdoor sportswear products, and you already there's involving a lot of innovation and also a lot of different kinds of materials development. So everybody is stepping in this sportswear. That means the whole supply chain, different kind of suppliers already stepping in to produce sportswear and functional products. So the consumer in different markets, this is talking about how much they engaging, already really doing the sports in the market. So in the US, there is already a study that 55% already engaging this kind of outdoor sportswear, sports activities. So they are doing hiking, running, cycling, fishing, and also camping. And then what else as EU market, they also already doing a lot of sports because there's a lot of mountain, right? In Switzerland, in Germany, in Norway, there's a lot of mountains they can do hiking and cycling as well. So, but in China, this is, you can see only 10%, but it is not a small number. Actually, if you base on their populations, 10% is already a great number in these markets currently. But actually, all the studies already telling us these China markets, there's potential to grow to 40%. That means there is already telling you 30% is a growth. So what I see in this market is a growth, a potential that we have to aware in this market. And this is the decision-making criteria. It is interesting. So I highlight some in the orange circle. Quality in the middle is what we are doing every day, daily work. We are doing our quality assurance and QC, QA, right? Doing a lot of development and testing to confirm it is good quality. But actually in the top criteria, it is only in the middle. The first highlight is protection against the weather and also durability. So that means the user, they want to buy your product to protect themselves. And it is good for me to, or consumer and you to go to the hiking, go to the sports. And then it is durable. I can use it for many, many times. And also there's already a lot of regulation as telling you how to make it, what is definition of durability, and what is the regulation requirement. So this is also related to sustainable, because you do not need to waste it to the environment. And then it is easy to clean and also aftercare properties. So this kind of criteria will make your consumer to buy your products. So we have to do it, right? So let's see what is the functional claim in the market right now. A lot. There's a lot of insulations, temperature, that means that thermal resistance, damp-proof, breathable, quick dry. I want to comfortable, is moisture management. When I'm doing sports, I'm sweating. And also UV protection. And one of the key elements is waterproof. So I don't want to get wet when I'm doing sports in a bad weather. So waterproof with this kind of functional claims will make an invisible risk and safety to the user. What it is? It is a chemical of the use of the chemical. So I will give you one hot topic in the market is PFAS. So it is already general using in this kind of sportswear. Jackets, outdoor pants, ski wear, and also footwear, outdoor purpose, camping tents, umbrella. All the PFAS use is too good for water repellence, waterproof, and also oil resistance and stain resistance. Then these kind of products already adding a lot of PFAS. And even you can see there's a functional underwear, yoga pants as well, leggings. We also find PFAS inside. So it is intentionally add or not intentionally add, also we can find this PFAS. So why do we concern PFAS? So PFAS is forever chemical, forever. So it is very hard to break the carbon chain. They cannot break and they cannot dissolve or degrade in the soil. I think thousands of decades to do that. And then environment, when you waste it to the environment, and also when you during your production process, the what's going into the water, then it's also harmful for our earth that we are living on, and it is cause cancer. And also it is also bioaccumulate. That means it will not get out. It's accumulate inside your body, accumulate in our animals, and also the food that we eat from our seafood and also the plants. So this is toxic for our earth. So that's why we're concerned. And all the countries already banned PFAS and still updating. So there's a lot of regulation to do that. That means we already need to start to do eliminate PFAS. It is for our consumer user safety. So this is the first case of the recall already in the market. Right now, this is new, and currently, there is the first jacket is already recorded by the EU and also already written on their website. So please go ahead to do your test plan, make it into your menu, and talk to your suppliers. And sometimes they are not intentionally added. There will be contamination by something else. So this is also forever chemical, so it's related to sustainable. So if you already eliminate PFAS, you can already also the first step to do it good for your earth. So sustainable, I want to give you another topic is preferred materials. It is good for your sustainable because it is too broad, but what we see in the future is preferred materials will leading our material market. So when you are doing the green claim, then you have to claim it's a true, and also, for example, recycle, biodegradable, biobased. You have to get a supporting to support your claim. Then there's a global standard to support them. So I will tell you what is the preferred materials. So preferred material is the raw materials. It gives you results that is improve the environment and give you a better social sustainability outcomes, lower impact compared to the traditional, the old one. So you need support for the material is sustainability criteria to support that, and then the industry standard to support it, chain of custody system to trace it because you have to make it traceable from your supply chain, and also you need to make it tested and verified it is true. And this is also the material is potentially to circularity. You can recycle, reuse it, or in the environment. So this preferred material will help you to eliminate the waste and pollution. This is the most important. So it also reduces the use of non-renewable materials. That means it can replace the traditional materials, which is harmful for the environment. And also, it is good to reduce CO2 emission, another hot topic, the global warming. So then you have to get these three elements to support your preferred materials. And also, I give you an example. There's one brand already make the target. It's 100% preferred material for all their products by 2030 already. So the market is already making the targets to make this happen. So what is preferred materials? It can be biodegradable, it can be compostable, it can be recycled, organic, and also bio-based. And bio-based is an interesting topic that I want to introduce to you. Bio-based, we think it is the future of these preferred materials and leading the materials as well. So what is bio-based? It is materials that's renewable biological origin. What is it? That means plants, fungi, and animals, microorganisms, and also agricultural waste. That means from the farm. Then this kind of waste or the organic materials then help you to develop to be a bio-based material, replace the old one. Then it can help you to lower the CO2 emissions and also reduce water as well. You can use less water, and then this can be truly decrease the use of toxic chemicals. So this is the where is it we can apply this bio-based materials. Sportswear, I give you some example in this page. Is bio-derived elastin, nylon, and also biodegradable performance textiles, aerogels and plant-based, that means plant-based down alternatives. And then in the footwear, there can be the sole, the midsoles as well, and then the plant-based, the PU, and also EVA as well. So there's a lot of possibility that you can apply bio-based materials. That means you can do a lot of new materials to leading the market and present to your consumer. So this is our future. So that's why SGS already acquired Beta Lab Beta Analytics is there is a leading company, a leading lab in the world to do the testing of the bio-based materials. So they are already part of our SGS North America. So we can help you to do the bio-based content, the determinations, and then bio-based the carbon analysis. So we can, based on these kind of standards, to help you to confirm it is bio-based and the carbon the analyze. Then we do bio-based, or for example the other eco-friendly actions and also materials. Then don't waste it. You already do it, maybe you're already doing, and then you have to present to the market. Then use the SGS this green mark to present to your consumer. Then you can put it on the hand tag. Well, for example, you do the bio-based, then we will help you to test and verify. If it is a pass and also it is true, then we will give you this mark, and then you can present it to the market. So the markets, you can also scan the QR code, and then they will see your certificate. And then there is also the details of the results. So this is another green mark, which is PFAS on the screen. Just now I told you about PFAS is also good for your already first step of your sustainable. So it is also PFAS assessed. Then you can present to your consumer, to the market. You already do the test, already know PFAS contaminate in your products. Then you can, where do you can put this mark? You can put this mark to your hand tag, sure, certainly. And also you can put it on the packaging, the boxes, shoe boxes. And also you can put it on the website, your online shop, and also your shop display as well. So everywhere you can put it, and then you can present to the market, then get the certificate, present to the consumer. But this is another mark I want to show you is performance mark. A lot of functional we present and also test it, that we can put it on the mark. For example, waterproof, quick dry, wicking, then you can UV protections, then you can put it on the mark and then present as well. So PFAS is a very deep and long topic. So actually, if I present deeper in this PFAS, that we will spend more 2 hours. So we already prepare a PFAS, which you can see it online anytime. Then also my team already offer a special offer. Actually, it's quite competitive, the price. Good for you to take a look what is PFAS. For example, do you know PFAS in US and EU are different? They have different. US is not asking for PFAS. If no, you do not know, please go to take a look on this, because US is asking for total fluorine, total organic fluorine. So if you have any questions and we have inquiry, we have an R&D team in Hong Kong. So we have the research team in technical team global in Hong Kong branch. We can help you and support you to develop the project, and then to make the case studies, and also benchmarking, and also any product quality claims you want, then come to us and we can help you to develop the program. So thank you.